It's going to be a surprise. Oh my dear Lord. My AC has been out for 3 weeks, and I called the AC company and they said, ma'am, your compressor is gone. I was like, man, you didn't even take a look. And he says, no ma'am, it's the compressor. I said, okay, I'll see, I'll let you know. And then, I procrastinated, and here I am 3 weeks later trying to figure out how to fix this. So yeah, the capacitor is gone. It looks like there was a little fire in here. Oh, okay. Just making sure that the capacitor is discharged before I take it out. Even though I turned off the main power and I removed this breaker. This is like a small breaker. It goes in here in this outdoor panel. So I took it out so that I don't get electrocuted. I also, I'm discharging this capacitor. How to discharge a capacitor? You connect the terminals together, and that should hopefully discharge it. So here we go. Hopefully this is discharged all right. Although it has failed so catastrophically that there is no way that this holds a charge right now. Anyway, gotta get it out. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. This is a 35 plus minus 5 microfarad capacitor. Is that what it is? Microfarad? Okay, I already ordered another one. Let's hope it works. Alright, so I ordered this from Amazon. Bojack 35 5 microfarad. So I'm gonna try to install it now. Let's see. It's about to rain, so I have to get it done quickly. So here is the new capacitor. It's got 3 terminals on it. Fan, C and Herm. Fan is fan, Herm is compressor, C is common. Alright, so on my exploded one, the red was on the C, so that's what I got. The yellow was on the Herm, so that's what I'm gonna put. And then the purple was on the fan, so that's what I'm gonna put. So that's it. The capacitor has been attached, and now I'm gonna close it up because it looks like there's a storm coming. So I'm gonna close it up and I'll let you know if it works or not. Alright, that's all closed up. So I'm gonna put this back in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, I'm here at the tripper, so let's see. Okay, so it holds, it's not tripping anymore. Gonna go up and see if it works. Actually, I'm gonna go outside first and see if it started spinning, if the AC started up, and that will tell me if the fix was a success. And lo and behold, yeah, it's working. AC is working. $35. That's what it costs.